Hey there, are you still struggling to make consistent profits in the market? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you a simple scalping strategy that utilizes two free indicators. These free indicators will allow you to simplify things, hence giving you more time to focus on execution of trades. So guys, let's dive right in and explore these free indicators plus the scalping strategy to apply them. Remember to subscribe since it helps out our team continue producing free content on YouTube. So guys, no matter the trading platform, this scalping strategy and the indicators will be working perfectly. So after opening the trading platform, we shall select the asset or the instrument which we shall be trading. In this case, I've selected the GDP USD. Then we flip to the 15-minute time frame. Since we are going to be scalping, we shift to the 15-minute time frame. After doing that, we fire up our first indicator, which is the stochastic oscillator. So this is the indicator. So we are now going to change the settings of this indicator. So guys, now we need to optimize the indicator. We shall go to settings, then parameters, then the K period we keep it at 60, the D period at 1, the method we keep it at exponential, then the main chart color will be keep it at red, then the signal line will be white, then slowing we keep it at 1, then price field we keep it at close over close. Then we head to levels. We shall add our first level, which will be the 10 level, then we add our second level, which will be 50, then we add our third level, which will be 90, then we add our fourth level, which will be 12.7, then we add our last level, which will be 87.7. Yeah, those are the levels. 87.7, that will be our last level. Then the scale, we leave it at that. Then visualization, we leave it at all time frames. Then show in data window, we keep all these as default. So then we place OK. So this is how our stochastic will look like after we have edited the settings, or after we have optimized the settings. This is how it will look like. So now we are going to add the second indicator, which will be the moving average. We add it to this sub chart. Then we also edit the settings, the parameters. We shall leave it at 10. We shall be using the 10. Then exponential. Then we shall be apply to close. Then we shall leave the style as lemon green. So now this is how the chart will be looking like, or the indicator fully optimized. Now the quick question is, how are we going to trade, or how are we going to scalp using this indicator? The first thing we do is to zoom out on our charts. We have to zoom out until we can't zoom out any further. Then we zoom in one more time. So this is how the charts will be looking like. This is our signal and this is our charts. So now the key question is, how do we trade using this signal, or how do we scalp using this signal or these indicators? Very simple. To take a sell trade, three conditions have to be met. The first condition is the signal line, which is the white line, must cross both the 8 exponential moving average and the 90 level at the same time. That is the first condition. Then the second condition is the 10 exponential moving average must be crossed first, then the 90 level. Then the third condition is the 10 exponential moving average should be crossed when it's above the 90 level. Those are the three conditions that have to be meant for a sell trade. So now let's take a look at this example. So let's take a look at a sell example. This is GDP USD. Now look right here. We said the first condition is the signal line must cross the 50 and the 10 exponential moving average at the same time, which happened right here. Then the second condition was the 10 exponential moving average must be crossed first. As you can see, the 10 exponential moving average, which is the green line, was crossed first before crossing the 90 level. So meaning our second condition is met. Then the third condition is the 10 exponential moving average must be crossed when it's above the 90 level. As you can see here, the 10 was crossed when it's above the 90 level. Let me put this line such that you can see it was crossed when it was above the 90 level. So meaning all our conditions have been met. So what we have to do, to place our sell trade right here. To place our sell trade the moment these two lines, 90 level and the 10, have been crossed and they have met the what? The conditions. We place our sell trade. Then we place our stop loss above the recent high, which will be here. Then we place our take profit at the next level, or we target a 1 to 2, which will be around here, a 1 to 2. As you can see, prices hit our take profit. It's very simple to scalp using this strategy. So guys, let's look at the next chart. This is odd chef and this is a 15-minute time frame. Let's look at the condition for the buy trade. The first condition is the signal line, which is the white line, must cross both the 10 exponential moving average and the 10 level at the same time. This is the 10 level of stochastics. Then the second condition is the 10 exponential moving average should be crossed first, then the 10 level of stochastics. Then the third condition is the 10 exponential moving average should be crossed when it's below the 10 level. So now let's take a look at this example. It can barely be seen, but if you look critically, you'll see it. The first condition is the signal line must cross both the 10 level and the 10 exponential moving average, which happened right here. Then the second condition is the 10 should be crossed first. If you look critically, you can see the 10 was crossed first, the 10 exponential was crossed first, then the 10 signal line was crossed second. Then the third condition is the 10 should be crossed when it's below the 10 level of stochastics. If you look critically, this 10 exponential, which is the green line, was below the red before the signal line crossed it, meaning all the conditions have been met. So if we see all our conditions made, to place our buy trade right here, to place a buy trade, then our stop loss at the recent low, maybe right there, then we target the 1 to 2. As you can see, prices hit our take profit. We always target a 1 to 2 since we are scalping. We don't want to be in the market for long. So guys, this strategy and these indicators, they are very powerful. Check them out, place them on your charts. They will work wonders for you. I think that will be it. See you next time. As always, invest safe.